On my YouTube channel, my Lab Solution. Today I am going to solve a assignment. The name of the assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Garden Furniture. So basically it is the second chapter of Exp2022. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically this assignment consists of 21 steps. I can do these step by step and you can done this video and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is start Excel to load and open the file name Exp2022 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Furniture. Garten has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date and ensure that the format is set as a long date. So in this step we insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the cell C3 we enter today and press double bracket to display it, and it is also saying that ensure that format is set as a long date. So format set as long date, so we go to the format cell and here is the format long set. So our step number 2 is completed. So our step number 3 is set column C width to autofill. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select the column C and in the format tab click autofill column width. So our step number 3 is completed. Our step number 4 is insert a function in cell D11 to display the item name based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 to D29. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute cell reference and the function return an exact match. Copy the function from cell D11 down to the D19 to complete column D. So in this step we insert a function in cell D11 to display the item name based. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in cell D11 we insert welcome function. Here is the welcome function and welcome value is here and welcome array is the here and press F4 to display absolute set reference and press enter to and false exact match. Close the bracket, press enter. So here is the result. It is matched to the item name. So it is also saying that copy the formula down to D90. So our step number 4 is completed. Basically this assignment consists of 21 steps and I have done 4 steps of this assignment. And our step number 5 is insert function in cell F11 to display the item price based on the provided inventory lookup information. Be sure to appropriate absolute cell reference and function return an exact match. Copy the function from cell F11 down through F19 to complete the function F. So in this step we insert a function in F11 to display the item price. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in cell F11 we enter a formula welcome function So Volca value is also this, and range is this one, and press F11, F4, and press 3 and false. I'll check to match, and here press enter. So here is the result that we required, and it is also saying that copy the formula down to the F19. So our step number 5 is completed. Our step number 6 is apply currency format to column F. So in this step we apply currency format. So here is the custom, and here is the currency format. So our step number 6 is completed. So in the step number 7, it is saying that insert a function in cell G11 to calculate the total due. If the customer has chosen delivery column is equal to yes, there is additional delivery charges located in cell L11. If the item is not delivered, the total due is price. Be sure to use approximate, relative, and absolute cell referring. Copy the function from cell G11 down through G19 to complete the column G. So in this step we insert a function in cell G11. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell G11 we put a function. Logical test value is this one, and is equal to yes, and value if true is F11 plus L11, F11 plus L11, F4, and value if all is F11. Close the bracket. So here is the result that we needed. So it is also saying that copy the function from cell G11 down through G19. So we copy the function down to G19. So our step number 7 is completed. Our step number 8 is apply currency format to column G. So we apply currency format to column G. So select column G and apply currency format. So our step number 8 is completed. Basically this assignment consists of 21 steps. I have done 8 steps of this assignment, and our step number 9 is insert function in cell I11 to calculate the first customer monthly payment using approximate, relative, and absolute cell referring. Place a minus sign to the left of the present value argument so that function return as a positive result. Copy the formula down the column. So in this step we insert a function in cell I11. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell I11 we insert PMT function to calculate monthly payment. So our rate is L12 divided it by L13. Use absolute cell referring, and here also use absolute cell referring, and black comma, and PDFE function is G11 multiply it by L13 L13 is this one. Use absolute cell referring, and in the instruction it is also saying that apply minus sign. So we apply minus sign in cell G11. So press enter. So here is the result that we required, and copy the formula down to the function. So our step number 9 is completed. Our step number 10 is use quick analysis to insert a function in cell I-20 that calculate the total of all month payment in cell in column I. So in this step we, so here is the out of, so we copy it again, and here is the quick analysis. So total is there, and apply sum. So our step number 10 is completed. Our step number 11 is apply currency format to column I. So select the column I and apply currency format. So here is the currency format. So our step number 11 is completed. So our step number 12 is type customer name, this one in cell B6. So we copy it, and in cell B6 we, here is B6 and paste it. So our step number 12 is completed. So basically this assignment consists of 21 steps. I done 12 steps of this assignment. If you want to complete course or complete assignment of Exp22, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.